everyone! Today, I want to share a very special story. The story is about my first day in school. Every person remembers this day because it is full of feelings: excitement, fear, happiness, and curiosity. Let's begin. It was a beautiful morning. My mother woke me up early and said,
"Wake up, today is your first day of school."
I slowly opened my eyes. I felt excited, but also a little nervous. I asked my mother,
"Will I make new friends today?"
She smiled and said,
"Of course you will, sweetie."
I hope so.
I got out of bed and looked at my new school uniform. It was clean and neatly ironed. My shoes were shining. My school bag was new and colorful. I felt proud. My mother helped me get ready. She combed my hair carefully. While eating breakfast, my father said,
"Don't worry, just be confident."
But inside my heart, I was feeling shy.
After breakfast, my parents walked with me to the school gate. There were many children. Some were laughing, some were crying, some were holding their parents tightly. I also held my mother's hand strongly. The school building looked very big to me. I thought, will I like this place? Then the school bell rang. It was loud and new for me. My mother bent down and said,
"Be brave. I will come to pick you later."
I slowly entered the school. My classroom was full of small desks and colorful charts. There were pictures of animals, numbers, and alphabets on the wall. I sat quietly on a chair. I did not know anyone. After a few minutes, our teacher entered the class. She had a warm smile. She said,
"Good morning, students."
Some children answered loudly. Some stayed silent. I softly said, "Good morning, teacher." The teacher introduced herself and asked our names one by one. When my turn came, I stood up slowly and said my name. My voice was low, but the teacher smiled kindly. At that moment, I felt a little comfortable.
My name is Sarah.
During the break time, a boy sitting next to me asked,
"What is your name?"
I told him my name. He shared his lunch with me. Soon, we started talking. Another girl joined us. We laughed together. Slowly, my fear disappeared. I realized something important. Everyone was new, just like me. The teacher taught us alphabets and simple words. We sang rhymes together. We learned how to raise our hands before speaking. Everything felt interesting. Time passed very fast. I forgot that I was nervous in the morning. Now I was enjoying school. Finally, the last bell rang. All children became excited. I packed my bag quickly. Outside the gate, I saw my parents waiting for me. I ran towards them happily. My mother asked,
How was your first day?
I smiled and said, "It was amazing." I told them about my teacher, my new friends, and the classroom. I said, "At first, I was scared, but now I want to go again tomorrow." My parents looked happy. That night, while going to sleep, I thought about my new friends and school. I was no longer afraid. I was excited for the next day. The first day in school teaches us something very important. Every new beginning feels scary, but courage makes everything beautiful. When we take the first step, fear slowly turns into confidence. Thank you for listening to this story. Keep practicing every day because small learning today creates big confidence tomorrow. See you in the next story! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting English learning lessons.